Hey guys, BlockBusterTech here, and today I'll be unboxing the brand new Honor Band 4. So I just purchased this off of Amazon. This costs around 2,500 rupees or around $35 US dollars. So yeah, let's just unbox this, switching from my Mi Band 3 to this device. So yeah, I'm just going to be unboxing this in this video and taking a look at what comes inside the box. So cutting the seal and opening up the box and pulling it out, the first thing we see are some manuals. So these this is the warranty card. So if you have some sort of warranty information here, you have your quick start guide, and I kind of opened this upside down. So yeah, you have your quick start guide in here. So you have all your instructions on how to set up the Honor Band 4. Keep that aside. Now we have your charging cable. So this is like a micro USB. Let's open this up. So yeah, this is a very short micro USB cable with a little bit of a cradle on the other side. So yeah, let's keep that to the side. And here we have the watch itself. So it's back. Let's just take it out. There we go. So here's the Honor Band 4 itself. Let's keep it aside and move all these. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to set up the Honor Band 4. So to turn it on, you actually need to plug it in, because there is no actually turn on button on the band itself. So you need to plug it in with the charger included. And once this is, there you go. So now the band is booted up, as you can see. Now it is telling us to download the Huawei Health app on our phone. So you have to download this app off the App Store or the Play Store, and you have to, so you launch the app, and now you're going to hit devices and add a device, and now you can select Smart Band and Honor Band 4. Connect and hit connect over here. There. Now as it is paired, your band is now set up. So let's take a look at this app and what it comes with. So there are quite a bit of features here. So the first thing is the Huawei True Sleep. So this will decrease your battery life, but it will let you know about how your battery is doing, and it will let you know how you sleep through the night. So it will show some data in this section of the watch. I'm going to enable that. We have continuous heart rate monitoring, which is a good feature, but it drains a lot of battery, so you want to be careful. I don't want that. So yeah, and it also has heart rate limits, and it will remind you when your heart rate gets too high. And you have do not disturb mode notifications, so yeah, you can turn that on, and you can do all these. And there is also a firmware update right now, so yeah, we can update that too. Now in this app, you also get your alarm functionality, so you can enable some alarms here, and you also get other notifications, so you can manage those here. You have your do not disturb mode, and as I talked about, you have weather report, so you can turn that on. You can set your location and stuff, and you also have your rotate to switch screen and stuff like that. So yeah, that is that for the app itself. Like, you can connect this to like the health kit. So if you're using an iPhone, you can connect this to Apple Health app, or if you're using an Android, you can connect it to Google Fit or something like that. So yeah, and it also shows you when there's software updates available for your band. So here I'm gonna update mine. So yeah, it's gonna download it, and then it's gonna transfer it over to the watch. So yeah, it's pretty fast. So you have a chain log and everything, and yeah, that's basically all for the app. So now let's take a look at the watch itself. Now you hit the button on the front, and it turns on. Now to swipe between the different menus, you need to swipe up and down. So down would take you to your steps, and you can check out your steps, your heart rate, your sleep, your workout. So yeah, you can select something from here. There you go. So your workout is there. There's more. So there's your faces. So let's take a look at some faces. This is the default one. This is the colorful one. And there's also a classic type of watch face. So yeah, we have watch faces, and here You also have the find phone option. As you can see, my phone is playing a tune. So yeah, that helps. Now we also have a timer mode, so you can set the timer for maybe like 1 minute or 2 minutes. So yeah, that is all the stuff. You have even a stopwatch, so you can do the stopwatch functionality here. And we have our brightness, so you can select from 3 different, so I'm going to set it to 3 because I like it. So you can also turn on lower brightness at night, so that's very helpful. Let's turn that on. And we also have a reset, so factory reset this watch. We have our restart, we have power off, and we have some regulatory and stuff. So yeah, that's that. And we also have our notifications. So yeah, this is a notification from over. So yeah, we can take a look at that. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this watch. Now the band is made of a nice rubbery material, and it's good to look at overall. And the UI is very smooth. It's smoother than the Mi Band 3 because the ID thing, it looks a little stuttery, but this is very, very smooth on the home. This is overall a great watch, and I'll use this for a while and I'll let you know how it goes. And I'll use it for maybe a week or maybe 2 weeks and let you guys know about my experience with this band. That's pretty much it for this video. This is Sheep here, and I'll see you all in the next one.